Tackling Giants, the story of David and Goliath in everyday life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, to fight a Goliath. This expression has a rich background and a powerful meaning in everyday language. Stay with us to uncover its origins, meanings, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Let's get started. The phrase, to fight a Goliath, comes from a famous biblical story found in the first book of Samuel, where a young shepherd boy named David takes on Goliath, a giant warrior who had been terrorizing the Israelite army. Despite his small size and lack of armor, David defeats Goliath with a sling and a stone. This story has become a symbol of overcoming impossible odds and triumphing over a much stronger adversary. When we say someone is fighting a Goliath, we mean they are facing a challenge or an opponent that is much larger, stronger, or more powerful than they are. It's not just about physical battles. It can refer to any situation where you're the underdog, whether it's a legal battle, standing up to a bully, tackling a massive project, or even overcoming personal challenges like illness or hardship. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. In business, a small startup company taking on a massive, established corporation could be described as fighting a Goliath. In personal challenges, someone battling a serious illness against all odds might be said to be fighting their own Goliath. In social justice, activists standing up against big, powerful institutions or societal norms can also be seen as fighting a Goliath. You can use this phrase to describe any scenario where someone faces daunting odds. It's a powerful way to evoke empathy, admiration, or support for their courage and determination. For example, despite the small size of their team, they are ready to fight a Goliath in the international tournament. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to fight a Goliath. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning and origins, and how you can use it to add depth to your English conversations. Remember, facing a Goliath is about courage, resilience, and the belief that no challenge is too big to overcome. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep fighting your Goliaths.